Want to avoid toll roads while using Waze? In this video, I'll show you how to avoid tolls using the Waze app step by step. First, open the Waze app on your phone and tap the menu icon. Then, select Settings and tap Navigation. Look for the route options and find Avoid Toll Roads. Turn on the Avoid Toll Roads option. After that, return to the main Waze screen and enter your destination. Tap View Routes to check the available routes. Waze will now try to calculate a route that avoids toll roads whenever possible. Before you start driving, review the route and check the estimated travel time. Keep in mind that avoiding tolls can sometimes make your trip longer or add extra travel time. If you want to use toll roads again later, simply return to navigation settings and turn off avoid toll roads. And that's how to avoid tolls using the Waze app. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Waze tutorials.